Revision history in Lucidchart allows teams the opportunity to see a full history of changes made in every document. Let's start by clicking on the revision history icon at the top of the page next to the Help tab. Once clicked, the revision history view will appear to the right side of your document. Don't stress if you ever forget to save your document. Lucidchart will automatically save all changes in a document every couple of minutes. When the revision history is open, you'll be able to see each stage of the document by clicking the entries in the document history. All entries will show the date, time, and the collaborator that made the changes. On the revision history timeline, you'll be able to select and preview a specific version of the document. When an entry is selected, a banner will then appear at the top of the document and give you two options. You'll either want to restore the document to that revision or create a new document from that specific revision. Let's say you want to identify the changes that have been made and compare different versions of the document. First, select a version of the document you'd like to compare. Then you'll select a second version of the document and then click Compare Selected Versions. This will allow you to compare the two selected versions of the document. When you are done comparing, you can simply click Exit Compare Versions mode. To exit the revision history view, you will simply click the Back to Workspace button at the top of the document. You'll never have to worry about losing your work or others making changes that you can't undo. Within Lucidchart, you can see the past, present, and plan for the future.